Hi, this is Scott Brown with a PTEN review of the installation and setup of the Autel IA800 Intelligent 3D Camera Kit for the Autel Red Frame ADAS calibration unit. Now, one of the most difficult and time-consuming operations during static calibration is the positioning of the targets in Z-space around the vehicle. With this new 3D camera system, it greatly reduces the frame positioning time and now offers the user the option to perform a quick wheel alignment audit prior to calibration. Now, this is a significant value that can be added to your existing frame with excellent ROI. When you receive your kit, you'll find everything you need nicely packaged. The primary components consist of 3 camera modules, bringing a total of 6 cameras to the ADAS calibration frame. The instructions are very clear, and you should easily have the system up and running in under an hour. Now, you'll begin with the camera module containing the fixed wiring harness. And on the left side of the unit, you'll feed the 2 long harnesses through the upper and lower channels of the crossbar, followed by securely fastening the camera module to the crossbar. On the other side of the crossbar, you'll take the 2 leads and then pass them through the right camera module bracket as you attach the camera and connections. So next, you'll attach the 3rd camera to the center left of the frame as shown, and then route its power and communications in the lower back channel of the crossbar, making your connections, and then install the channel guide in place to protect the cabling. Next, you'll connect the tablet holder, and now you're ready to set up the IA800 camera system within the Autel ADAS software. Now, as you can see, Autel has engineered an awesome upgrade for the Red Frame ADAS kit, which will allow you to realize a highly efficient and accurate workflow when performing ADAS calibrations. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.